All right, guys, how are we doing today? Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design. Today, I want to walk through the new UI design changes that we're doing on our own website so you can see exactly kind of how we're trying to evolve our current website into more of a future UI, more modern presentation. So let's get into it. Final Web Design, this is Steve. We are on our current homepage, and I've never really had a big problem with our homepage. I like how our menus here, I like how our navigation's up here for people, our call to action, free quote, phone numbers. I like how that's all put together. I like how the menu goes with. The homepage has never been a big problem for me. However, when you get into some of our service pages, unfortunately, a lot of the design and the UI of these pages has been significantly outdated. So if you go here, like just how this is lined out, this huge images as you come in, and this used to be on every single page, and I've started to remove this in place of this more modern, just title going across that has a good H1 tag. So basically right here, website design and development services. So this whole big image piece that was currently on the old website is going to be replaced here with the just title going across the top. It's a lot more clean than these big images that are here on the top of the pages. So that's essentially being done. I'm going to go through each one. Even though each of these images were also for SEO, they all have a title related to like coding.header, HTML, or JPEG. These are still going to have to go. I'm going to put another image down here for SEO purposes. These video sections here are also being done significantly different. So when you go to one of the new pages that have the design, this isn't all tight together and squished. It's going to have a little bit more spacing and look a little more sectioned off. So as you can see here, it's more of its own area as opposed to just kind of this tighten information. So that's a smaller UI. Now here's a bigger one, because when you go to these services, we had these carousels going across that were listing all the services on the page. But the problem was these carousels, there's too much information here and it's too tight. So in the new ones, we're breaking it down into just 3 sections here, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. And then if they want to, they can obviously still carousel through the additional services. However, it's not going to be as tight and as much information, and it's not going to have this big background image anymore, because this is a little bit of an outdated UI feature, having that image back there that is being replaced with just a solid black color. Okay, so here's where we started to now where you see these services listed, these are all listing each individual service going down. This is being redone as well, so all of these sections now have more of a area secluded just for them. So as you go into this one, you can see this buttons and all this is matching a lot better the UI of the overall site, like the header navigation, than it was previously. So as you scroll down, each of these are color sectioned off, so you can tell where you're at. Social media marketing, pay-per-click campaigns, blogging services, email marketing campaigns. So now we've set these up in a way that essentially we can target everybody with the information more clearly. And if you go into this actual learn more page, you'll see that these pages haven't been done yet, but that's kind of the next piece. So you can see these big header images here. So I don't know, what do you guys think of this new design? I mean, we're really putting a lot of work into this and really working hard to try to simplify and to provide better information for our clients and our users going forward. So this much more clean UI, information just being laid out. Everything is kind of very flush. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? Let me know. Leave a comment if you have any feedback. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want help redesigning your site, or if you have questions about how to properly redesign your site, let us know. We'd love to help you. That's what we're here for. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.